Hi dear Libras, a very good morning to you guys. So this is Anjali Tarot. So this is a journal of reading from 21st of May till 31st of May. And remember, these are journal readings. They might or might not resonate with you. Okay. So right now currently I'm running an offer on my YouTube channel. So I'm providing a numerology report in 100 rupees only. So this offer is valid till end of May. If you're interested, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com. Okay, and the description you can also see that. So let's start. Libra, your partner's current energy right now, Libra, is Magician. Libra, I feel like your person is manifesting you, and or they are manifesting something. Okay, we will see, because the magician is someone who is a big time manifester, and they can manifest whatever they want because they have all the tools, everything that is required to have a good manifestation power. Let's start clarify the magician. Let's start. Let's see their current energy. Okay, Page of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Chariot. I feel like this person is manifesting a brand new start, a message or a text, a communication from your side, and they feel like, first of all, they are manifesting money or financial independence in their life, and they feel like they are manifesting you to come to go towards them and talk to them. Okay, they're manifesting a communication from your side, might be, or it could also mean that they are just manifesting financial independence in their life right now, and their current energy is pushing them to move towards financial situations, or move shift their focus towards finances in their life. Okay, this could also mean that they are manifesting you, and they want you to go towards them and talk to them. This is like that. Okay, let's see, Libras, what your current energy is right now. Sun. Libras, I feel like you guys are in a happy mood, in a happy zone. Okay, there's something that happened to you and that makes you very happy, or it will make you very happy, because right now it is from 21st to 31st. So I feel like there's something in your energy that is going to make you very happy, Libras. Let's clarify this happiness. Let's clarify your energy. This is a good energy. The Sun is the happiest card in the deck. The Queen of Cups, the Hermit, the Ace of Pentacles. I feel like you are suddenly realizing that somebody loves you, or you are suddenly gaining some kind of emotions after a lot of contemplation. Now you are ready to have a brand new beginning. Okay, might be you will get some kind of message, or you will get some kind of love offer from somebody, and you were waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time, and you were not realizing that you want this person or not. But now you're realizing that yes, I too have emotions for this particular person, and I have lots of love emotions for them. And you took a hell lot of time to realize this particular thing, and you are ready to have a brand new beginning with this particular person. That is making you very happy. That is going to make you very happy, Libras. That will bring you very beautiful moments of joy and happiness. This is what is happening, right? So let's see your partner's current feelings for you right now. Justice. I feel like this person, this is your card, Libra, by the way. So Libra, you might also be dealing with the other Libra. It could also be possible. So this person feels like justice should be there in this connection. Okay, might be they were not reciprocating with you, or they were not texting you, though they were not communicating with you. They were suppressing their feelings for you. I feel like that, Libras. So they were trying to suppress their feelings for you, or they were acting cold or detached. But I feel like now this person is realizing that yes, they too have feelings for you, and you also have feelings for them. So basically they want to do justice with this particular connection. They feel like there should be justice in this connection. Okay, equal give and take, equal energy, or exchange from both the sides. This is what their feelings are for you right now. Let's clarify. Justice is clarified by the Justice and the Five of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. I feel okay, there's some other angle came out. So I feel like this person was seeking for justice from you, This person feels like you should do justice with them because they were missing you, they were grieving some kind of loss because you were attached with somebody else also. Okay, and they want you to be with them only. This is what I can see, Libras. So I feel like this person was grieving your loss. This person turned their back towards you because they felt like there's somebody else also in this equation, and that is why they are seeking some kind of justice. They are feeling like there should be justice in this connection, and they should get what they deserve. Okay, I feel like there is somebody else involved in this equation as well, and that is why they feel this need to have justice. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you, Libra. Let's see what this person wants from you. The lovers. They want love from you. They want to have a very good connection with you. Okay. They want to have a relationship with you, Libras. This is all they want from you. The lovers. You could be dealing with a Gemini as well because the lovers is the card of Gemini. So I feel like this person wants a solid relationship with you. I don't know about the commitment thing as of yet, but this person wants you to be in a relationship with them. This is what they want from you. Okay, let's clarify the lovers further to get the insight. Okay, let's see. Seven of swords, eight of pentacles, and the tower. Okay, so I feel like this person wants you to reveal all their secrets, all your secrets to them. So I feel like this person wants you to come out of the secretive zone and put in the effort, put in the work, and break whatever is stopping you to go, stopping you from going towards them. So basically, this person wants to break out from just give me a second. Yeah, so I feel like basically this person wants you to come out of any kind of situation that is ruining you or their connection with them. So basically I feel like this person wants to go towards them and to start have a relationship, to start this connection all over again, to start this relationship all over again because they have lots of feelings for you. This is what they want. And the tower to me is sudden realization or breaking something that is not working out and starting all over again. This is what they want from you, Libras. Okay, so they basically want you to realize that yes, this is a spiritual connection, this is a beautiful connection, and you should realize that. Yeah, complicated, right now they are in complicated phase of their life, and that is why they are going through this type of feelings. Let's see what to expect from your person till 31st of May, Libras. Seven of Cups. I feel like your person is hell confused about you. Your person, uh, do you remember their feelings for you? They told me that you know that this person is also connected with somebody else as well, and you want justice from this particular connection. Okay, they feel like there's or they are feeling like you are connected with somebody else. This could be vice versa. It could also mean that you are connected with somebody else, or it could also mean that they are connected with somebody else. But I feel like whenever they're coming towards you, whenever they feel like they should come towards you, they get very, very confused because they have lots of options with them. I feel like they have lots of options, Libras, or they at least more than two options in their life. And they are confused whether they should give you another chance or they should start with you or not. They are confused about this particular thing. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Let's clarify. The Death, the Seven of Cups, and the Hierophant. Okay. So I feel like your person is going through a transition, a transformation, major transformation. You could be dealing with a Scorpio Libra. So I feel like your person is going through a major transformation. They are waiting for the right time because they have, they feel like they have done everything they could, and they feel like they are waiting for this spiritual connection, for a marriage or for a proposal from your side. Okay, and they are confused. Now they are confused and waiting whether they should talk to you about this connection or not, whether they should talk to you about this marriage thing or not. So they are just waiting on you. Right now they are confused and they are going through a major transformation in their life. They are waiting for the right time to talk to you, Libras. And might be you could be dealing with a Taurus, and this person basically wants to have a solid committed relationship with you. That is why right now they are confused whether they should come towards you or not. Okay, I feel like this person is not coming towards you at the first place. But if they are coming towards you, they are going to be in a very, very confusing state of mind, and they're not going to talk to you about this connection or relationship at all. This is what I'm feeling right now. Okay, let's clarify. Sorry, let's pull one card from the love oracle deck for you guys, Libra. Love call. Someone expresses love or message of love, thinking of you and letting you know. Okay. I feel like you will get some kind of message or beautiful message, but I don't feel like this person is going to propose to you or give you solid committed relationship. This could be start of a new relationship. This could be a start of a new beginning with this particular person. Okay, this is what I feel like because they want to have a relationship with you. Yeah, Libras. You could expect a call from this particular person, a message from this particular person, but not a relationship offer or some kind of committed or relationship offer or something like that. So thank you so much, Libras, for tuning in. I hope you like my video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste.